Brother Thane. Here is the assignment for this week. So we've got the movie site up and running. We can hit edit. And after it loads, we can make changes. So I'll just change it to changed, I guess. Submit changes. You can change any of the boxes. I guess I probably should change all of them, but I didn't. And then it comes back and you can see it changed. You can flip through the different pages, see different things. You can search for genre. And then bring up the genre and clear that out and search by title. And you see any of them that have the word "the" in them. So then we can also delete a movie. We hit delete. Three Musketeers. It goes back. We search that again. And Three Musketeers is gone. We can also add a movie. Put that in. Comedy. Year. I don't know what year that was. Say 1996. Why not? It's a good year. Add movie. And search for it. Then we should get back Home Alone. There it is, Home Alone, 1996. Anyway, that's my web application. Thank you so much.